You still, are you gonna get the fade with the waves on top, or are you just gonna get like a taper?
Yeah, that's what taper.
You might have to cut a little lower to use it, turn it back to get the brand new. Alright, you guys, my boy Zaire right here. He's about to cut it all off. It's coming all off. Alright, we did talk about the length. Alright, y'all see? It's like a, yeah, he had a fade. He was getting a fade with the hair. So they're gonna have to cut it to like this length right here. And then give him a taper. That's what he wanted, taper. So hopefully the waves gonna be, hopefully he did the waves, and yeah. So y'all just stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? New year, new him. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. YouTube, what's going on, man? We back with the first haircut tutorial of 2023, alright? So, before you guys get to talking in the comments, talking about the title and the thumbnail is crazy, listen. I explained to him that it was gonna happen, that I had to do it like this, just to get the, you know what I'm saying, the taps and the views, so you guys would be interested, you know what I'm saying? So he already knew this was gonna happen, okay? This is a loyal client, he watched my channel, he already know what it is, alright? And he not emo, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? He wasn't lice, okay? He just had some super dry scalp because he couldn't, you know what I'm saying, get to the roots, because he had a lot of hair. He would get it braided, he would get it like in certain styles that he just can't reach the bottom, so it's okay, we're gonna get him right. So the first thing I did was cut off the hair that he had, and now using this 2-guard close, going against the grain. As you guys seen in the client consultation, I told him I had to cut it like just as low as the dark part of the fade on the side, just so it would make sense, you know what I'm saying, because I was going to leave it darker so he can get his waves, you know what I'm saying, start at the wavelengths, but it was just better to do it this way. So he had gotten a fade from somebody else. I think I was out of town when he did that. So it just didn't grow back fast, or he came and got it cut. It was probably like a week or two later. But yeah, so he wanted to cut it off for the new year. It's like, yo, I want something new. Right now he washing it. I washed it 2 times and then I conditioned it once. And then on the last wash with the conditioner, I applied oil with it just to kind of put some of that hydration back into his scalp. But yeah, he was like, man, I want to cut it all off, bro. And I was like, okay, you want a taper? He said, yeah. I was like, okay. You know what I'm saying, we're gonna have to blend the hair in with the old fade that you had. That's cool. He's like, yeah, that's cool. I just wanted this hair to be off at the top, which was fine with me. So we're washing his hair, rinsing his hair out. I usually wash the hair 2 times. Like, I rinse the hair out 2 times with warm water, and then on the last wash I use cold water. If you guys wondering what that black stuff is in the sink, it's 245 no drip. I have to get like paint thinner or it's like alcohol to get it out. When they say it does, when they said it stains, okay, it really stains, okay, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so starting out this taper, we just gonna start off like any regular low taper, putting that little curve in. Because his hair is so low on the sides, we have to make sure like that guideline is in there. As you guys can see, the old fade up top isn't like super blended, so we're gonna have to clean that up a little bit. Using the shaver right now, not going all the way up to that guideline, but almost close. And I'm using my lever open now, just cleaning up that little area because his last haircut is basically a lever open down there. So I'm basically just taking out that bottom guideline and then kind of detailing just to make sure it's blended in that little area. After I do this little taper area, I'm gonna come back and kind of blend in the sides, just to make it a cleaner fade. But I'm not, you know what I'm saying, I don't want it to be too clean because then it's gonna look like a haircut that is not. I don't want this to look like a shadow drop fade, you know what I'm saying, even though it's going to anyway because that's how he came in. But I didn't want to like give him another full-on fade. I just cleaned it up a little bit so I could blend just a little bit better, you know what I'm saying. So right now I got my one guard, just using the corners, trying to blend it in. If you guys come across a haircut like this, just focus on the part that you have to do. Like, just focus on the taper in the lineup and cutting the hair off. If it's an old cut there, you kind of just want to fix it a little bit, just so it look like it's a clean cut. Like, when I get done, it's gonna be a clean cut. But if he came with like a head full of hair all over, and he asked for this, he would probably have asked me for like a mid drop shadow fade, you know what I'm saying? And just got the taper on the side and the back. So on this side I'm doing the same thing, just cleaning it up, cleaning up that old haircut, trying to make it blend in a little bit, just for a smoother cut overall. And now I'm going to do this taper, just speed through this. Let me guys know how your New Year's and Christmas was. Okay, I ain't really tap in with y'all that much, especially because I was on the cruise. Their Wi-Fi was trash. But yeah, guys, comment down below for sure how your Christmas was. Let me know how your New Year's was, and definitely let me know what you want to see from Wavykid Cav. All of 2023, we coming with bangers all year. We definitely gotta hit 100K this year, guys. So if you want to ride with me, share my channel, share my videos. And right now we fixing a little bit of pushback. I'm using my one closed, and then I'm going to use the corners of my lever open just to blend that hair in. And on this lineup, I'm going to knock down the front line just so it could last longer. Spraying hairspray, I'm going to blow dry that. Then we just going to line it up. We're going to try to get it crispy and symmetrical as possible. Zaire loves enhancements, okay, so we're going to use that too. But the cut is going to be clean before them. It's going to be a clean, natural cut. As always, like I said, this is a loyal client. You can see we fixed that pushback on the side. We didn't go back far at all, actually. We barely went back, so we fixed the pushback, and then we're just going to fix it even more with the enhancements. Now, these enhancements last 3 to 5 days, okay, and it's waterproof. Shout out to Tune 45. You can use the Wavykid Cav at checkout. But this is the before, guys. And this is the after. Y'all see, it's just a nice, simple, clean cut with enhancements. A low taper. We made it look like a shadow fade, even though that wasn't the cut. We just fixed the last cut. If you learned anything, for sure, please comment down and let me know. Like the video, please share it. We're trying to hit 100K this year. Okay, that's my goal. But yeah, it's your boy Wavykid Cav. I'm out. Deuces.
Mixing.
Yes, sir. That's me right there.
Alright, y'all. This is the cut, man. You got him right. Dang, I just realized I ain't got my mic in. Hopefully, I can still hear me. But yeah, man, we got it right. Nice, crispy, big chop. You know what I'm saying? It's boy Wavykid Cav. You like the cut?
Yes, sir. Love it.
Yo.